Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you how to reset your service light or maintenance light, whichever light you call it. It will let you know, hey, it's time to change your oil. You do for an oil change. So this is how you're gonna go ahead and reset the light. So once you go ahead on get in your car, you can do it with the engine on, engine off, doesn't matter as long as the ignition is on. So once the ignition is on, by turning on the key, that's how you get the ignition to come on without turning it all the way. So you want to turn it to the on position, and that will solve that problem. And then you want to use this button right here to navigate throughout the system. Because the engine is not on, it's going to display that not ready to drive, but that's okay. So you can go ahead and press back and it will pop up this menu right here. Whichever you have it on, speed, whatever, it doesn't matter. You're gonna use this to navigate throughout the system and press OK whenever you reach where you're ready to go. So I'm gonna go over to setting, and setting will be that little gear right there. Once you reach at the gear, guys, you just want to press down and go to vehicle setting. Once you're at vehicle setting, you want to press OK. But not only press OK, you want to press an old OK. So press an old OK. And then you're going to go in. So that's the TPWS is for your tire pressure. That's for your tire light. If you want to go in it, you can change your tire pressure, tire wheel pressure. And if you want to, you can do all that. It's keep on displaying that message not ready to drive is because the engine is not running. You can run it with the engine, or you can keep on press the arrow, the back arrow. Whenever that come up, just press the back arrow to turn that off. So now you want to go to schedule maintenance and you want to press OK. When you press OK, that's gonna come up. So once that come up right there, you're just gonna go ahead and reset. Go scroll up to reset and press OK. And that's it, guys. That's how you do that right there. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out. See you next time. And one more thing, once you do that, you won't get the message that you need to change your oil or maintenance required anymore, because you already reset that after you change your oil. Peace out.